Now second topic, third topic, equality of vectors. Equality of vectors means how we know that some vectors or one or more vectors are equal to each other. Equality of vectors for this. Equality of vectors. So the right definition, it means that if two vectors, suppose two vectors, vector A and vector B, this is A vector and this is B vector. Okay, very simple. If two vectors representing, in bracket, representing both two values of the same physical quantities, representing two same value, representing not, if you want to same value, then its magnitude will be same. But if we consider it to both different values, two values okay, if two vectors representing two values, A vector and B vector contain A value, magnitude, and in a B vector it contains B magnitude, okay, and with proper units, representing two values, with the same physical quantity. It means it can represent distance also. So I take only distance. Distance. This is an example of distance or length. So if two vectors representing two values with not length but anything, okay, representing two values with the same physical quantity, two bodies of two vectors contain this value, okay, are called equal vectors, or called to be equal vectors if their magnitude, a simple definition, their magnitudes and directions means both are same. Then if two vectors, vector A and vector B, have both magnitude and direction are same, then these both vectors are same. Thus the parallel translation means object moving goes towards only one directions. Okay, parallel translation motion, rotational motion. Translation motion means straight line motion. Thus parallel translation of a vector does not mean any change, does not bring any change. In it, write it. This is a very most important topic, but the starting of this chapter. So this is simple.